guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing how to make dry gobi manchurian. So let's have a look at the ingredients. So here I've taken one medium sized cauliflower and I've chopped it into small pieces. Make sure that you chop it into small pieces as then only the cauliflowers will be more crunchy. And here I've taken 3 tablespoons of maida. I've taken 3 tablespoons of corn flour. I've taken 2 tablespoons of soya sauce. I've taken 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1.5 teaspoon of red chili powder, salt as per taste. So let's begin. First we have to marinate the cauliflower. So now to this we'll be adding in maida. After adding maida we'll be adding in the corn flour, or you can say cornstarch. So now we are adding corn flour. Now to this we'll be adding in red chili powder. Now we'll add in the ginger garlic paste. And then we add in the soya sauce. And now to this we'll be adding in salt as per taste. After adding all these, we are going to give it a mix. We are going to mix it properly. So now we have mixed everything. We have also added around 1 tablespoon of water to this. Add very little amount of water. We are adding water so that it gets proper coated and it gets marinated properly. So now we will leave this for around 5 to 10 minutes, and after 5 to 10 minutes we'll have to deep fry this. So now we have taken a wok. To that we have added oil, and now after the oil is heated properly we'll be adding in gobis one by one. Make sure you add them one by one, or else there's a chance that they might stick together. We'll add in one by one and let it fry. So now around 5 minutes are over and you can see the gobis. It has got a very good color. And now we'll take it out in a plate. I'm using a tissue here. You can use even a kitchen towel to remove it so that there is no excess oil left. And make sure you fry these gobis at a medium flame. Don't make the flame too high. Now you can see how the gobis look. It has got a very good color and it's really crunchy. So now our gobis are ready. So now let's make the chili gobi manchurian. So let's get started. So now let's have a look at the ingredients. So here I've taken half capsicum finely chopped. I've taken 1.5 tablespoon of oil. I've taken 1 tablespoon of corn flour or cornstarch. 1.5 tablespoon of soya sauce, 2 tablespoon of Szechuan sauce, half finely chopped onion, 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce, 1 tablespoon of tomato sauce, 15 to 20 garlics chopped. I've taken half teaspoon of sugar, which is the key ingredient here. I'm using 3 green chilies. If you want it to be more spicy, you can use more or you can reduce as per taste. Then we are using salt as per taste. So here I am not using spring onion. If you have, you can use spring onions also. So let's get started. I'm making a paste so that we don't have to add each ingredient one by one. We can just add it together. So for that I'll be first taking a bowl. To that I'll be adding in the corn flour. Then we'll add in the soya sauce to this. After adding soya sauce, we'll add in the chili sauce, red chili sauce, and then we add in the tomato sauce. And then we'll be adding the sugar to this. After adding all these ingredients, we'll have to mix it properly. This mixture is useful as we can add it at a time together. So let's mix it properly. So now our paste is ready. So now we take a pan, and to this pan we'll be adding in the oil, and make sure that the flame is at high because Chinese food are generally made at high flame. So let the oil get heated. So now to this we'll be adding in the chopped garlic. Saute it for few seconds. After this, we'll be adding in the green chili. Again, saute it for few seconds. Make sure that the flame is at high. And now we'll be adding in the capsicum to this. And we'll also add the chopped onions. Now we'll have to saute this for around 1 minute. So now around 1 minute is over, and now to this we'll be adding in salt. After adding salt, we'll be adding in the Szechuan sauce. And now we'll be adding in the paste that we had made. And after adding the paste, give it a mix. Mix it properly. Make sure that you stir it continuously. Now we are going to add in around 2 to 3 tablespoons of water to this. After adding water, give it a mix properly. And now to this we'll be adding in the fried gobis. After adding the gobis, mix it properly. Give it a mix. And you can see that our gobis are getting properly coated. I forgot to tell you that we have to add in one more ingredient. We have to add in around half teaspoon of black pepper powder. So we are adding in the black pepper powder and give it a mix. So now our Manchurian is ready. You can see how it looks. It's a really yummy and tasty recipe. Do give it a try, guys. Our gobi Manchurian is ready, guys. Dry gobi Manchurian. You can see how it looks. It's really tasty recipe. Do give it a try, guys. Thank you guys for watching my video. Don't forget to give it a like and subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for further notification. Thank you guys.